Today is National Homemade Soup Day, and I thought, why not show you how to make one of my favorites that I've been making for years at home. A lot of people actually don't make it home. I'm not sure why. Minted pea soup, served chilled. Does that look good or what? Simple, easy, quick. You can make it the day before. Let's try it. Really well balanced. You taste the peas, a bit of mint, and of course the creme fraiche. If you want to get fancy, you can put some mint oil on there or whatever, but I think it's good just like this. Damn, that's good.